a geoduck!
Science with Stu here to remind you that not every single clam which you find squirting on the beach is necessarily a geoduck.
Geoducks are certainly an exciting find, being that they are the world's largest burrowing clam. You can easily identify them by the smooth, bright white edges of their siphon, as pictured here. Next up are a couple of clammy examples so you can compare.
Next time you're at the beach and you see that squirting clam, take a look and see if you can find the smooth, bright white siphon of the geoduck. This one here is a pitted clam.
Oh guys, I found a clam! I wonder what type of species it is!
Let's look at its characteristics and find out.